Are you done with the vroom vroom? Doesn't fail. Anywho, peace. Peace will be mine. Hi Sugar Cookies, thanks for coming back. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle whisperer. And you're watching a food, fashion, and lifestyle channel.
FYI, I'm in swampy southern Florida.
And the fall weather here sometimes can be non-existent, or maybe we'll get a week of it. Very temperamental, but we've also had temperatures of 28 degrees. What? So sometimes you just don't know how to dress in this Floridian weather. Very rainy as well, hurricanes, but it's beautiful nonetheless. I love fall season and I love fall decor and all the lattes and all the recipes and the orchards and the bales of hay.
All the things.
However, I don't necessarily like pumpkins scattered. It's just me. Oh my goodness, don't get mad at me.
Don't judge me.
I've been there, I've done pumpkins, I've done apples, I've done all the things. It's your home, your decor rules. I'm just here to give you some ideas and share with you what I do. I wanted a proper beverage station. I had a coffee somewhat station on my counter, but it was looking very cluttered and that bothers me. I'm not a minimalist, but I'm not a maximalist. I'm somewhere in between, but things have to have a function and practicality and be pretty. I had a table available. I swapped out a keeping area, that's what they call it here in the South, a keeping area, but I have a lot of seating area behind me. I have bar stools, I have a kitchen table, I got a lot of seating area, so that's not a problem. So I had this area next to my window available, and let me share with you. Hopefully you get some ideas. I'm gonna share with you how I leveled up some of my Dollar Tree items on my hot beverage station, so let's check it out. This is my hot beverage station. I'm quite happy with the results of this. I was able to keep this beautiful table, but oh my gosh, this sucker is heavy. And this DeLonghi coffee maker, I absolutely love it. It has an espresso machine, and then this top area here stays nice and warm for the mugs. And it has a frother over here, little thing right here. Absolutely love that. These mats right here are from the Dollar Tree. I'm gonna bring you a little bit closer in a little bit. And I placed it just to give it some protection. This tray I already had. This I got from Home Goods. This is from Home Goods. None of this is sponsored. This is also from, oh no, not Home Goods, it's sister company, Marshall's. These are absolutely wonderful syrups that I like to use for my coffee. When I feel like having a little special flavored coffee, I like using the Monin premium gourmet syrup because it doesn't have any
fructose and all of that lulose in it.
It's natural, however they are very expensive. Now I am going to be decanting this. I looked this up on Amazon. Oh my gosh, they go upwards of, I think it was either $16 or $19 each. This is a 25.4 fluid ounce bottle. It is the salted caramel. I absolutely love this on top of ice cream, hot chocolate, in my coffees, in some desserts even. Absolutely delicious over oatmeal. Oh my gosh, with malted carnation powder in it and a little bit of thinned out half and half and a little bit of this and cinnamon. You're welcome. It's a beautiful hot beverage. Let me know if you'd like to see a video of that recipe because it's absolutely delicious. I make really good hot beverages. Having said that, I saw this on Amazon upwards of $16 or $19, something like that. Haha, look at how much I paid for this. $7.99. Believe you me that I scoured the shelves looking for more of these, but this was the only one that was available. These cookies my husband got, these are delicious. They are from Walmart and they have like that cranberry, like a breakfast cookie. They're absolutely delicious. These almonds right here, I tried to save as much as I could for the sake of this video, but these are
delicious.
I'm a white chocolate lover. These are white chocolate roasted almonds with pumpkin spice flavor. Oh my God, my friend brought these down. Oh my gosh, I love them. They're from Durham's, not sponsored, but Durham's. I'm available. Here I have some dishes that I thrifted a long time ago. I have over 20 of these little pumpkins right here, and they're ramekins that you can serve soups in them. I got them in Germany years ago. And I put different flavored salts in here and different herb mixes, and sometimes I keep little goodies like this in there just to throw in some hot chocolate or something like that. These little felt maple leaves and things like that I got from the Dollar Tree last year. And I'm not much for sprinkling stuff like this all over the house, but for something like this, I think it makes a nice base. It's pretty. This right here, this vase, I thrifted, it's handmade. I thought it was beautiful. And instead of putting flowers in there, I put my honey spoons and my honey canes in there. Not bad for $1. These espresso cups I already had years ago. I have buku of those in my cabinet because I used to do a lot of entertaining. And then these mugs, I wish I could find more. I got them at the Dollar General. It's supposed to be a family. The mama, the baby, and the papa. It's so cute. I love how they're weighty, but they're ergonomically correct, and it's made for
big, thick fingers right there.
These cost $3. And then these I got at IKEA to keep your coffee or your beverage warm. These are from the Dollar Tree as well. I have several of these. I have sugar and coffee. I don't know if the camera's picking up the iridescence right there. I love these, and it has the copper top. From the Dollar Tree as well. Oh, I need to refill this with cinnamon. Excuse me. Oh, wait. Oh, my manners. I'm slacking. Hey, who put these flavored liqueurs in there? It's all for the sake of the video, just the staging of the video. Flavored liqueurs for the coffees. I'm glad that Ghirardelli is now making this caramel with a flat top because it fits nicely underneath the shelf there. And it makes it easier for cleaning. Nice top, you don't have to put this in the fridge. Love that, to drizzle in coffee and over whipped cream, ice cream, all of the things. Now let me bring you in closer so you can see the bottom. Here's my little dilemma, and it's not really a big deal. I could put a little pressure rod and some curtains there to cover that up. I don't know if I'm liking that. I tried to corral it and organize it as much as possible. Again, this is real life. When I stage things for myself or for a client, I like to take into consideration the lifestyle. Remember, these things need to be used by every single member of your household that, you know, enjoys a hot beverage. So in this basket right here, I have a tin of delicious biscuits, and these are all mainly teas. I always keep a bar mop or a towel to contain any drippage that might be going on in this area right here, even though I do have that mat right there from the Dollar Tree. I have that mop there to contain any spillage or anything like that. It seems like everybody on YouTube thrifted that pumpkin right there.
Focus camera and let me be great.
I got it for $1. My foodie friend gifted me some of those little coffee biscuits, and that's what's in there. In the back you'll see some coffee there. And then in this basket right here, I have corralled all of the coffee implements and coffee makers and things like that. Even a descaler back there in the corner. I use all the things. I love that. How pretty. And then I have that mat underneath there in case I have to put something super hot on there. Even though, again, I have that mat there to help with any kind of spillage or placing anything hot. But sometimes, you know, that may be a little too thin. So I have that rattan mat right there. Fabulous. With the things that I had on hand. And I like that this station is nestled in between my beautiful snake plants. What do you think? Hopefully you got some ideas and you liked it, and I'm especially happy with my Dollar Tree finds and items. A lot of these things I already had. Most of the items on this hot beverage station, you see they are budget friendly. With a little creativity, I leveled up those inexpensive items like the mats, the jars from the Dollar Tree, and the mugs that I got from the Dollar General, thrifted items. You can do the same. Shop your home first to see what you have so that you can stage your home and do things in a practical and pretty way and an organized way that's functional for you and your home, that you can maintain, that's sustainable for you, and then go out there, do some thrifting or online shopping or whatever. You heard it here first. So if you like this video and you found some value in it and you got a couple of laughs, a chuckle or two, smash that subscribe button. I love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Share the video. Why? Because sharing puts me out there and the algorithm says,
hello, she's there.
post notification bell, you know, the ding 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 dong bell, and select all so this way you don't miss any of my videos. And as I say around here, be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next lifestyle moment. Ooh, I was moving some stuff around and now I'm kind of paying for it. Ooh, I'm getting older. I didn't say old, I said older.
Bah.
Are you done with the vroom vroom? Doesn't fail. Anywho, peace. Peace will be mine. Neighbors. God bless them. Why nobody told me that I had this sports bra poking out? Y'all ain't right. Y'all ain't right.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.